Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add timestamps to your YouTube videos. Alright, so I'm here in the YouTube dashboard right now, and if you want to add timestamps to your videos, head over to videos because we'll need to go into the description of a video. And timestamps are really good if you've got a long video and you're talking about, different points, different topics. It's an easier way for the viewer to get to a different section of the video rather than, having to watch different things. So I'm just going to scroll down here and let's say I want to do it on this video right here. Click on the pencil, which is the details, and that will take me to where I can edit the description of a video. That's where you add the timestamps. So this video is already released and everything, and let's go ahead and put some timestamps. So let's say this is just an example, but let's say I was talking about a bunch of different stuff and I want to, section it off and make it easier for people. So let's say at 103, and I'll just call it like test because it's not actually different things happening in the video. And let's say at 2:54 there was something happening there, test 2, and then let's say there was another point at 3:29, and then there, and you can just go ahead and do this for the rest of your video and add those specific timestamps. After you've done that, make sure you click save, and then we can head over here. If you click on this area of the studio, it will launch a new page. Alright, so here is the front end of the video, and if we scroll down to the description, click show more, and you'll see there you go, you've got the timestamps for the video. And if I click on 103, and that was actually a real thing that was listed, it would take me to that part of the video. So if I click to 103, it's going to take me to 103. If I click on 254, it's going to take me to 254 and 329. So that is how you add timestamps on your YouTube videos. Make sure to head over to the description, type in the actual time. You have to make sure to do it this way so that it ends up being clickable on the description. Alright guys, well that was it for this video. If I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.